Welcome back to our channel Respect Education.
Okay friends, now let's see GBit. Minus 17 into minus 29. Here there are two ways to solve this problem. We can take 17 as 20 minus 3, or we can take 29 as 30 minus 1. In 17, 20 is the base number, and in 29, 30 is the base number. So let us do the further simplification. Now here, when we take 17 is equal to 20 minus 3, here there is a minus, we will write minus as it is, and in place of 17 we write 20 minus 3 into minus 29 as it is in this case. And now here minus into minus, see here there is a minus before 29, so this minus into this minus. Minus into minus is plus 20 minus 3 into 29. Minus into minus plus 20 minus 3 into 29. Now this is in the form of A into B minus C, but as we are using distributive property, we get A into B plus C. Now here we can change this, like 29 is A, so 29 into 20 minus 3 can be changed as 20 plus of minus 3. Is it clear friends? So 29 is A into 20 is B plus C is minus 3. Is it clear friends? Now let us do further simplification. Here A into B plus C, that means it should be AB plus AC, that means A into B plus A into C. Now it should be written as, see, A into B, that means 29 into 20 plus A into C is 29 into minus 3. Is it clear friends? See here A into B plus A into C. So here this is in the form of AB plus AC. See here this is A and this is B plus this is A and this is C. Is it clear friends? Now let us do the remaining problem. 20 into 29. 20 into 29 is 580. And here plus and minus 3 into plus 29. See here this is plus 29. Therefore minus into plus. Minus into plus is minus, and 3 into 29 is 87. Minus into plus is minus, 3 into 29 is 87. And here there is an invisible plus before 29. Now coming to the problem, 580 plus of minus 80 plus of minus 87. So 580 plus into minus, here also minus into plus and plus into minus is minus 87. So 580 minus 87 is equal to 493. Is it clear friends? Therefore by taking 17 as 20 minus 3, by using distributive property we get 493. Now let us take 29 as 30 minus 1. So we have taken here, while taking 17 we got 20 minus 3, and we have maintained minus 29 as it is. Now while taking 29 as 30 minus 1, we maintain minus 17 as it is. Is it clear, friends? Now let us do further simplification. Now minus 17 into minus 30 minus 1. Here minus into minus, this minus into this minus, minus into minus is plus 17 into 30 minus 1, plus 17 into 30 minus 1. Now this is also in the form of A into B minus C, but we want A into B plus C. So let us convert. Here it is 17 into 30 plus of minus 1, plus of minus 1. So this is in the form of A into B plus C. Here A is 17, B is 30, C is minus 1. Now it should be converted into AB plus AC. See here AB is 17 into 30 plus 17 into minus 1. So this is in the form of AB, A into B plus AC, A into C. See here this is also in the form of AB plus AC. Now let us see further simplification. 17 into 30. 70 into 30 is 510 plus 17 into minus 1 is minus 17. 17 into 30 510 plus 17 into minus 1 is minus 17, because there is an invisible plus before 17 and plus into minus is minus 17. Now 510 plus of minus 17, that means 510 plus into minus, minus 17, 510 minus 17. 510 minus 17 is 493. See here we got the same answer, 493 is equal to 493. So when we take 17 as 20 minus 3 and maintain minus 29 as it is, we get 493. And when we take 29 as 30 minus 1 and maintain minus 17 as it is, we get 493. So they both are equal. Now you can follow which method is easy for you. Is it clear, friends? Okay friends, now let us see H bit. Minus 57 into minus 19 plus 57. See here, the logic is 57 is common. We can take 57 as common. Now here in place of 57 we get minus 1 into minus 19 plus 1. Okay friends. So here after taking 57 as common, we get minus 1 into minus 19 plus 1. Now here 57 into, see here minus 1 minus 19. So minus into minus, minus into minus is plus, plus 19 plus 1. So 57 into plus 19 plus 1, that means 19 plus 1. So clearly this is in the form of A into B plus C. A into B plus C. So we have to convert it into AB plus AC. But it is already given in the question in this form, AB plus AC. So here minus minus get cancelled. and 57 can be taken as A, 19 can be taken as B, and 57 can be taken as A, and here 1 into 1 can be taken as C. So here A is 57, B is 19 and C is 1. C is 1. So now coming to the problem, 57 into 19 plus 1. 19 plus 1 is 20 and 57 into 20. See here, this can be solved logically. 57 into 20. Okay friends, here 0 we will keep it aside, and let us multiply this number 57 with 2. 2 sevens are 14, 2 fives are 10 plus 1 is 11, and let us put the 0 here. Okay friends, now we need not to consider 0, and let us multiply 57 with 2, we get 114, and let us put the 0. So the answer is 1140. By using distributive property of integers, we get 1140. Is it clear friends? Okay friends, now let us see question number 6. A certain freezing process requires that every room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? Given that, see here friends, the initial temperature of the room before the process begins is 40 degrees Celsius. See, 40 degrees Celsius. Since the temperature be lowered at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour, it will be represented by a negative integer. So here, since the room temperature be lowered, as it is lowered, we get negative integer, we take a negative integer. So change in temperature in 1 hour is minus 5 degrees Celsius. Be lowered at 5 degrees Celsius, as it is lowered negative integer, we take minus 5 degrees Celsius. Okay. The room temperature after 1 hour is equal to, see here, the earlier temperature is 40 degrees Celsius and minus 5 degrees Celsius. See here, temperature, change in temperature in 1 hour is minus 5 degrees Celsius. So here it is 40 degrees Celsius plus of minus 5 degrees Celsius. Is it clear friends? So here 40 degrees Celsius plus of minus 5 degrees Celsius. Now change in temperature in 10 hours. Actually, change in temperature in 1 hour is minus 5 degrees Celsius. Change in temperature in 10 hours would be 10 into minus 5 degrees Celsius. 10 hours into 1 hour, that means 10 into minus 5 degrees Celsius. Here plus 10 minus 5 degrees Celsius, plus into minus is minus 10 5s are 50 degrees Celsius. So plus into minus 50 degrees Celsius. The room temperature after 10 hours would be 40 degrees Celsius minus 50 degrees Celsius. See here also 40 degrees Celsius plus of minus 50 degrees Celsius. Is it clear friends? So it is minus 10 degrees Celsius because plus into minus here is minus. 40 minus 50 is 10. I mean minus 10. So minus 10 degrees Celsius. Now the temperature of the room 10 hours after the process begins will be minus 10 degrees Celsius. Now once let's recap, friends. Here the initial temperature of the room before the process begins is 40 degrees Celsius, and the temperature be lowered at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. As it is lowered, it would be represented by a negative integer, that means minus. Negative integer means minus. And the change in temperature in 1 hour, lowered 5 degrees Celsius, that means minus 5 degrees Celsius. And the room temperature after 1 hour, it would be initial temperature or earlier temperature plus of this temperature in 1 hour is minus 5 degrees Celsius. So the change in temperature in 10 hours. So 10 into minus 5 degrees Celsius. So it is minus 50 degrees Celsius, and the room temperature after 10 hours would be 40 degrees Celsius plus of minus 50 degrees Celsius. Therefore the room temperature, the temperature of the room 10 hours after the process begins will be minus 10 degrees Celsius. Is it clear, friends?
If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.